Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about how poor vehicle maintenance could definitely affect your wallet in the long run, for sure. Some really simple things that can save you money on and on again is by servicing your vehicle properly when it's due. Let's start here on the left side, and we're going to start here on my left side at least. Servicing your cooling system, not replacing the coolant at regular intervals when recommended, can actually cause failure of hoses, thermostats, parts to leak in the cooling system such as valves and other things, can cause deterioration of head gaskets, very expensive components. Simple service, 3 years, 50,000 miles for extended life, keep it changed out, it'll save you money. Not inspecting your brakes and replacing brake pads or shoes when needed can cause rotor damage, caliper damage, very expensive items. Not replacing spark plugs overstresses coils, can cause coil failures, becomes way more expensive. And then when talking about fuel filters, not replacing fuel filters or running a fuel system low can cause early fuel pump failure, which is extremely expensive. Then of course servicing your transmission is the only thing you can do to extend the life of it. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for The Automan, Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.